guys, Fahad Zaman here. If you are a phone, laptop or computer user and what I am not sure, there is a tech life hacks. You could change your day-to-day life. Here are 23 tips and tricks that will make your life easier. So we are not going to waste any time. Let's get started. Now you can set and manage a timer for cooking, game time and to track other activities using the timer on Google Home. It's great for the kitchen but can be used in the living room, bedroom and more. Google will automatically start stopwatch and start alarm when the time runs out. Now you can see your password hidden under asterisks. At website login page, right click the password field and then choose inspect. This will open the document inspector window and all you have to do is replace the word password with text. Now you can easily see the password under the asterisks. If you have an old smartphone, you can convert into a security camera to monitor any place on local Wi-Fi network or on online server with the Android app to implement extra security level. The very first thing that you will have to do is you have to download and install the IP webcam app from the Android Play Store. Now after installing this app on your Android device and you are now ready to start your video stream of Android device, just tap the start server button placed at the end of the app itself on the device. This will begin the device to capture live video around and then stream it back to the server. To view up the stream anywhere, you just have to enter up the IP address that you will get on your Android device and then paste it in the address bar of the web browser on any other device. Just go to that address and you could see the live video stream from the camera of Android online by clicking on flash. You can also record video and can easily switch to front or back cam. You can actually earn money by just having a lock screen. So download SlideJoy application. SlideJoy lets you make money. It pays you in cash or rewards you in gift card to have trending news and ads on your lock screen. Redeem cash rewards to your PayPal account or gift card rewards to your favorite brands. You can even donate the money you make from SlideJoy to give cash to charity. No matter how proud you are of your texting speed, it gets very annoying to type the exact same phrase again and again. What if I tell you there is an easy way you can create shortcuts for long phrases? On an iPhone, go to Settings, in General, go to Keyboard, tap on Text Replacement, tap on plus icon to add as many shortcuts as you want. So I can create shortcuts for my office address with just office. So whenever I type office, it will automatically replace with my full office address. On Android, if you are using Gboard, you can go to Gboard settings. Here go to dictionary, then personal dictionary and create a hot words for phrase which you often use. However, it does not automatically change the shortcut to the phrase. Instead, it shows you the phrase as a suggestion. Need to charge your phone faster? There are a few simple ways to speed up the charging process, but the easiest of all is simply leave the phone alone when it's on charger, putting your phone into airplane mode, which disables cell signals, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and GPS. And it will make your phone easier to ignore while it's charging and will help your phone power up faster. This one is very useful. You must be aware of the fact that you can add multiple fingers to unlock your phone with fingerprint sensor. So you can save the fingerprints of the same finger twice or maybe thrice. When you do this, the sensor scan your fingerprints faster and more accurate. If you want to use a service for a little while and it demands an email ID, but you're hesitant to give your own email ID, you can simply create the temporary one. You can use the gorillamail.com, which let you create temporary email address with ease. So you can use this email ID to sign into a service and even verify it. However, I won't recommend you to use temporary email ID service because the inbox of this temporary email address can be accessed by anyone. Someone needs to use your iPhone to make a call. Use Siri from the lock screen to make the call. Call to Harun. The person has no access to any other app on your phone this way. If you are like me using WhatsApp all the time to stay in touch with your family and friends, did you know you can use WhatsApp to save links and notes? It's pretty simple trick. You can just create a group, add a friend, and once group is created, remove the friend. Then you have a group with only you. You can then send links, photos, add notes and more in the group. And it will be like your own personal journal. What's the first thing you do when you can't find your phone? If you're like most people, you may borrow someone else's phone to call yours, and with any luck find your lost phone after a few short rings. But what if your misplaced phone is on silent and won't ring when called? If you have an Android device, you can go to Android Device Manager. Here just log into your Google account which you used on your last Android phone. Here you will be able to view the device location, ring it even if it's on silent mode, lock it, and even remotely erase it. iPhone users can perform a similar magic trick by logging into iCloud on another device and selecting the Find My Phone option. You can then select Play Sound to make your silenced iPhone sync. Stumped by a math problem? Get the Photomath app and scan the math problem with your phone, and the app will solve it for you. All you have to do is scan the question just like you scan the QR code. It will automatically detect the question and instantly gives you the answer. When you copy any text from a website to paste into a document, there are some visual formatting that comes with original formatting. This simple trick can save you from the hassle of removing the formatting of copied text. You can just copy the text like you normally would, and then when you pasting it, just choose Ctrl plus Shift plus V instead of Ctrl V. Or if you are Mac user, use Command Shift V. Can't find the backspace or undo button in Calculator app on your iPhone? You are not alone to have been confused by its absence. In the iPhone Calculator app, swipe left or right to delete the last number. If you are in a different city and you don't understand their regional language, then it's better to have an app Google Translate that can translate things for you. Not just the phrase but also the text on the signboards. You can just tap on the camera icon on the app, scan the pic, and that's it. The app now will show you the translated text in your preferred language. I often forget things, and mostly the important one, and I am sure I am not the only one who facing this. If you are using Android, you can say to Google Assistant to remember that. Okay Google, remember that my passport is in top drawer.
Okay, I'll remember that.
You can then ask Google, where is my passport?
Here's what you've told me. March 16th, 2017. Remember that my passport is in top drawer.
If you have an iPhone, you can simply tell Siri to add items to your shopping list or wish list or any other list you might have. If you don't have any list set up in reminders, Siri will create them for you. To make sure someone is not giving you a fake number, read the number back to them incorrectly and see if they correct you. If they do correct you, then it's the right number. Put an emergency contact number and a name or an email address on your lock screen in case you lose your phone and the person who finds your lost phone wants to return it to you. Go to Settings, Lock Screen and Security, Info and App Shortcut, and tap on Owner Information. It's easy enough to put your information on the lock screen of your Android device so that the finder can easily contact with you. If you want to buy airplane tickets for your next holiday, when booking flights or hotels online, do it in incognito mode. So what happens? Airline manufacturers, they automatically set their price to start rising if you continue to visit the same site. The site understands that you are looking for holiday and it will keep trickling up the price. Clear cookies before you start looking in incognito mode for lower price. Small PDF is a fun place where PDFs go to be converted to and form other formats such as JPG, PPT, Word and Excel. They also unlock, split and merge PDFs. You can download any YouTube video just by typing SS before the YouTube part of a video's URL link in your address bar. Not only can you choose from different file types, but also any resolution up to the original quality. If somehow your internet connection is gone, play Dinosaur game in your Chrome browser without the internet. In Chrome error page, press spacebar to start the game. Searching YouTube has never been easier than it is with this trick. When using the Google Chrome browser, you can type youtube.com into your address bar, then hit tab and search YouTube directly from your address bar. So that's all for now. If you guys enjoyed it, hit the like button and subscribe us for more tips and tricks. And I will see you in the next one.